Which one is this blue one?
Velociraptor.
And the brown one is?
T-Rex.
Who is the king of Dino?
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Hi
Hi guys! Ryan, you need a surprise toy today?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes then. Ta-da! Here are the dinosaurs. These are the dinos. Which dinos here?
Velociraptor, T-Rex, and Triceratops.
Oh yes, they say this is the assembled dinosaur puzzle, and it is for 3 years, 2 plus age. So let's open it and find out. Yeah, let's check what we got.
Oh, a T-Rex.
Oh yes.
This is my favorite one. Oh, this is Triceratops. They're matching.
Yeah. Oh, and there's instruction booklet.
Oh.
So we put the batteries. Now which one you want to make first, Ryan?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Okay, let's take out all the parts of the T-Rex. Okay. So these are all part of the. Wow, and these are the screws coming with it. Okay. So this is the T-Rex. So Ryan, let's take Papa help to assemble it, okay? Ta-da!
And this T-Rex is ready to hunt. These are extra.
See, the T-Rex is ready now. And his body move also. His hands are moving, tail moving, and his head.
Does it also moves? How does it walk?
Stop.
Stomp.
Next, which one you gonna make?
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor?
Which one is that? Blue or green?
The blue one is the Velociraptor, okay?
He's ready.
Okay.
This color is a navy.
Yes. Let's assemble it first, okay?
Yes, start it.
One and two. It's their numbers. Papa, it's ready.
Yes, now it's ready. Let's see who wins. You be the T-Rex and I be the Velociraptor. Which one is that?
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor. You be T-Rex, I be Velociraptor.
I'm bigger than you. And you are my prey.
You are my prey.
I can be.
I'll be.
He's the father. And he called Triceratops.
Triceratops, please come to help.
Now I make Triceratops.
Spread, guys.
Haha, it's
Triceratops.
And then Triceratops going to T-Rex and Boo. And the 4 T-Rex then.
Which dino is this?
Oh,
Triceratops is ready now. We made all the dinosaur, Ryan.
now,
Can you please name all the dinos?
yeah.
Which one is this green one?
Triceratops.
Which one is this blue one?
Velociraptor.
And the brown one is?
T-Rex.
Who is the king of dino?
T-Rex.
Here. And which one is your favorite?
Triceratops.
Or is it?
The or.
All of them are your favorite. The quality of the dinos are also good.
I like Triceratops.
Yes. So you like them? Okay. Now say bye guys.